Put him in the tunnel. All right, over the panel, through the tire, and on the teeter. And show us to weave, how to weave. Nice job. Up and over the A-frame. Nice turn from the double to the table. Good job. Okay, run it out, guys. Run it out. Awesome! Woohoo! And it's a Mach 7. Take the bar. Go take a run. What a good dog. What a good handler. Yay!
Look over here. Look over here.
Jerry's calling to you.
Lakota. Lakota. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Yeah, Lakota. No, don't fall unless you're behind me.